Hi everyone, it's Miss Pam here with the St. Clairsville Public Library, and I thought we'd do something just a little bit different today. I have come up with a preschool STEM activity, some fun science for the littler ones, and if you'd like to take a look at this, the mice are back here joining us. They're going to be watching too. We're going to do an experiment called Sink or Float. All right, here are the objects we're going to test today. The first one we're going to test will be this ruler. What do you think? Will it sink or will it float? I'm going to put it into the water. What's it doing? It's floating. So let's put the ruler right here where it says float. The next object we're going to try, let's see, how about a crayon? I bet you all have crayons at home. So let's put the crayon in the water. What do you think? Is it going to sink or float? What happened? It sunk. So it did not float. We'll put that over here on the side that says sink. So our next object, how about something little, like a paper clip? What do you think? Will the paper clip sink or will it float? Put it in the water. It sunk to the bottom right away, so I'll have to fish it out of there. So which side's it gonna go on? Sink or float? We're gonna put it on the side that says sink next to the crayon. All right, what should we try next? How about a match? I bet everybody has a match at home, but we don't play with matches ever, do we? No, but we can test it. Mom and Dad are helping. So let's put the match down in the water. What do you think? Sink or float? What's it doing? It's floating for sure. So the match is going to go on the side next to the ruler that says float. Okay, what should we do next? How about something really different? A balloon. Do you have a balloon at your house? I always keep balloons here at my house, so I'm going to put it in the water. What do you think? Sink or float? What's it doing? Oh, for sure, the balloon is floating. So I'm going to take it out, put it next to the ruler and the match on the side that says float. So let's try something else. A clip. I have these in my desk at work and at home. So what do you think? That kind of clip. Will it sink or float? Put it in the water. Right away. It sunk to the bottom. So we're going to take it out, shake it off a little bit, put it on the side that says sink with the paper clip and the crayon. Okay, what do we have left? How about something easy? A little rock. I'm sure you all can find a little rock. What do you think? Will it sink or will it float? Let's try. Put it right in the water. That was easy, wasn't it? It sunk to the bottom. So we'll take the rock out, put it on the side that says sink. All right, maybe we can get something else that floats. What do you think? We have 4 things left. How about this pipe cleaner? I love pipe cleaners. You can do all kinds of fun things with them. I never really thought about putting it in the water. Let's try. Put the pipe cleaner in the water. What do you think? Watch. Oh, at first it floated, but then it sank. So it's all the way at the bottom of the tub. So surprise, I really thought that would float, but it didn't. It sank. So it's going underneath the sink. We have more things on the sink side. Let's see, something that can float. How about this little foamy sticker? Do any of you have little stickers like this at home? We have a lot of them in the library. Let's try it. Sink or float? What do you think? What's it doing? It's floating. Floating for sure. Staying right on top of the water. So it gets to go on the side with the other things that float. The sticker floated. We have 2 things left. Let's see. I found some dice. What do you think the dice is going to do? Now this is made out of plastic. It's not hollow. It's pretty solid. So what do you think? Can you predict? What will the dice do? Sink or float? Let's put it in the water. Right away, it sank to the bottom. So which side's it going to go on? That's right. It's going to go on the side that says sink. We're getting quite a pile of things there. All right, we have one more thing to test. And I'm really not sure about this. It's an eraser, a pencil eraser. And it's made out of rubber. It's hollow in the inside. So can you take a guess? What do you think? Sink or float? Let's try it. Put it in the water. It sank right to the bottom. It didn't float at all. So there you have it. We have how many things that sank to the bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many things that floated? They floated. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. You could try this at home if you wanted to. It's a really fun experiment to do. Find objects in your house, make a prediction, and decide if they sink or float.